If you're looking for a native English tutor, I have space for 2 more students one-on-one. I live in Taiwan and all classes are online. Call my assistant on Lingzhou, Yilingzhou, Ezhou, Yiqi. That's Lingzhou, Yilingzhou, Ezhou, Yiqi. Welcome to the English Excellence Podcast, the show that's perfect for non-native English speakers who want to improve their language skills for life and the business world. I'll share a link in the show notes below this recording where you can find all the transcripts completely free. They have the complete text of the reading plus the vocabulary in English and Chinese. Being a leader is really important for any group or organization to succeed. A great leader can inspire and motivate their team, creating a positive work environment. This helps the company grow and be more productive. If you want to grow as a person and in your career, it's essential to develop your leadership skills. In this podcast, we'll talk about what makes a great leader and how you can develop these qualities. Understanding leadership. Leadership is about guiding and inspiring others toward a common goal. A great leader has qualities that help them lead their team effectively. Leadership can make a big difference in an organization's success. A great leader brings out the best in their team, creates a positive work culture, and drives growth and new ideas. Many people misunderstand what leadership is. They think leaders are born, not made. But that's not true. While some people may have natural leadership abilities, anyone can develop their skills through practice and experience. Another misconception is that leaders must be bossy and dominant. But really, great leaders can be collaborative and empathetic, listening to their team's needs and concerns. Some people think leadership is all about giving orders and making decisions. But actually, effective leadership involves empowering team members to take ownership of their work and contribute to the organization's success. Quality 1. A great leader is a visionary. A great leader has a clear and inspiring vision for their organization. They can see beyond short-term problems and focus on long-term goals. A visionary leader communicates their vision effectively, inspiring their team to work towards a common goal. For example, Steve Jobs was a visionary leader who transformed Apple into one of the most successful companies in the world. He had a clear vision for the future of technology and communicated it effectively to his team, inspiring them to create innovative products. To be an effective leader, you need to have a visionary mindset that can see beyond the present and into the future. Being a visionary leader comes with its own challenges. One challenge is resistance to change. When you have a new vision, it can be tough for team members to adapt. Another challenge is the need for constant innovation. You must always think ahead and come up with new ideas, which can be mentally exhausting and require a lot of creativity. Communicating your vision effectively to your team can also be difficult, leading to confusion or lack of motivation. To overcome these challenges, you need patience, persistence, and good communication skills. Quality 2. A great leader is empathetic. Empathy is a crucial quality for a great leader. It involves understanding and connecting with the emotions and experiences of others. An empathetic leader creates a positive work environment that fosters trust and respect. For example, the former CEO of PepsiCo was known for her empathetic leadership style. She listened to her team's feedback and concerns, creating a culture of open communication and collaboration. Here are some tips to improve your empathy skills. When you talk to your team, listen actively. Pay attention to what they say, how they say it, and their body language. Try to understand their perspective and feelings without interrupting or judging them. Put yourself in their shoes. Imagine how you would feel in their situation. This can help you understand their emotions and experiences better. Show genuine interest in your team members by asking questions about their lives, interests, and goals. Empathy is important at work and in all areas of life. Practice being empathetic with friends, family members, and strangers to improve your skills and apply them at work. When team members feel valued and supported, they are more likely to be motivated and productive. Quality 3. A great leader is decisive. Being a great leader means making tough decisions when needed. It's important to analyze complex situations and make informed decisions that benefit the organization as a whole. For example, Satya Nadella, the CEO of Microsoft, made the tough call to shift the company's focus toward cloud computing. To improve your decision-making skills, follow these tips. Gather as much information as possible before making a decision. Analyze your options. Consider the pros and cons of each option and how they align with your organization's goals. Sometimes, trust your gut and make a decision based on intuition. Remember, not every decision will be perfect, but it's important to learn from mistakes and use them as opportunities for growth. Decisive leaders face challenges like fear of making wrong decisions, pressure to decide quickly, resistance from team members, and balancing short-term and long-term goals. By being aware of these challenges, leaders can develop strategies to overcome them and make informed decisions that benefit their organization. Leadership development tips. Developing leadership skills can be challenging. However, these tips can help you improve your abilities. Practice active listening and effective communication. Develop a growth mindset and be open to feedback. Build strong relationships with team members. Seek out leadership opportunities and take on new challenges. Here's some final thoughts. If you want to excel in your career, work on your leadership skills. Focus on having a clear vision, being empathetic, and making firm decisions. With practice and dedication, anyone can become a great leader. Developing your leadership skills brings many benefits, such as gaining respect from colleagues and superiors, improving your communication skills, and boosting your confidence. Okay, that's all for this episode. Thanks for joining me. Remember, you can find the link below this recording for the show's transcript. If you'd like to hire me as an English teacher, contact me through our website. See you in the next episode.